Hi friends, welcome to TurboMaths channel. 6 minus 3 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 4 then divided by 4. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people solve this question like this. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 times 4, then plus 4, then divided by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 4, then divided by 4. 12 plus 4 equals 16, and 16 divided by 4 equals 4. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve this question step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. In this question, we have subtraction, multiplication, exponent, addition, and division. First, we simplify this exponent. 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. Now we have 6 minus 3, then times 4 plus 4, then divided by 4. In this step, we simplify this multiplication. Negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. Now the question is 6 minus 12 plus 4, then divided by 4. In this step, we do this division. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Now we have 6 minus 12, then plus 1. 6 minus 12 equals negative 6, and negative 6 plus 1 equals negative 5. Thanks for watching, guys. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.